Hello everyone, welcome to EliteWave-Focus.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry, and today is Friday, October the 11th, 2019. The time is 3:30 a.m. GMT. We will be looking at the chart of the Amazon. This is a 60 minutes chart, so we can see right here this decline to 1684. Okay, ended with A as a 5 waves, right? So that means this is some sort of a zigzag. So we end on 5 waves down, ending with A, and currently we are looking for a a zigzag rally, right? An ABC 535. It's a 535 structures going into this blue box area, and the target here is 1765 to 1804 and we are looking for the stock to fill this rally somewhere in the blue box if it can reach there. Okay, somewhere in the blue box for a new leg to the downside in the C leg, or at least some sort of a 3x pullback from here. Okay, so it has a perisequence stem, a red stem, which means generally we are still favoring more downside in Amazon. Now we are nearing the conclusion of the trade war negotiation, and my sort of base case is that both China and the US will basically agree on a limited deal to stop escalation of the tariff, but they won't try to roll back whatever tariff that is already in place right now. Okay, there won't be any grand deal. So the initial reaction then, I think if they come up with some sort of agreement, wouldn't be surprising to see the market is happy about it and then rallies. But then still think that because there is no significant change basically in the agreement, other than just basically stopping further escalation, that we can continue to go lower again, because generally speaking there's really nothing changing. The tariff is still there right now, and that could affect the economy going forward still, until they get some sort of agreement. Alright, so here if we take a look technically in Amazon, alright, if we take a look at the larger degree, looking at the 4-hour now, we notice here from July 11 peak, we got this decline. Now this one might be in a, you can say it's a 5 waves or 3 waves, doesn't matter, right? So let's say if this is a 3 waves, so it's an ABC zigzag. So we ended this leg right here on August the 6th. Since then we corrected here as a flat A, B, 5 waves up. So this is your correction, right? And then since then this stock has resumed lower again, and broke below this W here, right? So it has already broken below all the previous low, and so if this WXY or ABC could reach the 100%, then technically the stock has ability to go to as low as 1536. Doesn't have to go here, all right? It can be higher than this, but if you count the number of swing, this is a double zigzag WXY, so you get a zigzag here, and you are looking for another zigzag here, and this AB is the same AB right here, right? You're looking for another zigzag, and the number of swing is not complete. We got this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we only have 5 right now. We need 7 because this double zigzag is a 7 swing, ABC, ABC. And so as far as this rally then technically stays below this 1854, then we can see another leg lower still in Amazon. Now what will be sort of the alternate? Well, the alternate suggests that we maybe can count this as a 5 ways down, and end it with A here, right? If we have to, for example, if we have, I think ABC is a better count, but let's say if we are forced to label it A, so this could be AB like this, and then we ended the C without reaching the 100% right here, as we call it truncation. Okay, and then if that's the case, then this stock can start to go higher. But probability wise, that will be in the sort of the alternate count, but probability wise at this point, looking at the overall market, at the instrument, at the stock that we observe, it suggests that we cannot rule out the possibility of another leg on the downside overall. Okay, so we'll see what happens. It should be pretty interesting next week, especially because I think probably we won't get any sort of outcome until the end of the day on Friday regarding the negotiation. Okay, but for now we're looking for any rally to fail in 3711 swing for the downside as far as it stays below 1854. All right, so thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe. And also we got 14 days free trial if you like to try our service, and the link is provided in the description of the video below in the YouTube. All right, so see you all again next week. Have a nice day, everyone.